from Nalanda's legendary libraries to Takshashila's sacred courtyards. For thousands of years, India stood as the world's greatest center of learning. Today, it is rising again as a global educational powerhouse. The world once came to India for wisdom. Today, they come for the future. And this future is being led by LPU through its education revolution.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාව යනු දෛනික ජීවිතය තුළ කලාව ජීවමාන වන රටකි. In temple murals that tell ancient stories, in traditional masks carved with meaning, in Kandyan dance, coastal colors, and centuries of craftsmanship. Growing up here means growing up surrounded by expressions where creativity isn't taught, it's lived. Hi, I'm Maneesha Alwis, a fine art student from Sri Lanka at lovely professional university. When I first arrived at LPU, I didn't feel like I had left Sri Lanka behind. I felt like I had stepped into a much larger canvas. The scale of the campus, the diversity of the culture, and the constant exchange of ideas made me feel inspired from the very first day. Even thousands of kilometers away, I saw Sri Lanka reflected on this campus in cultural celebrations, artistic showcases, and the respect with which every identity is embraced. From comforting South Indian meals to vibrant North Indian street food, every day was a chance to explore India through its cuisine. It felt reassuring to know that my roots weren't just remembered here, they were valued. Studios alive with imaginations, spaces designed for experimentation, and mentors who encourage you to think deeper, create bolder, and express without limits. LPU gives artists the freedom to evolve.
With the Edu Revolution, students generate revenue that helps them pay their own fees while learning is driven by live, industry-relevant projects. Attendance remains flexible, allowing students to balance real-world work and academic growth seamlessly.
Here, ideas don't stay on paper. They turned into artworks, exhibitions, and experiences. Success here isn't by chance. It's shaped by guidance, exposure, and an environment that believes in your potential. Sri Lanka will always be the place that shaped my artistic soul. But LPU became the space where my vision expanded. My confidence grew, and my journey as an artist truly began. Hundreds of students from Sri Lanka are already here, learning, creating, and sharing their stories with the world. ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ සිටින සැමට මෙම විශ්වවිද්‍යාලය ඔබ එනතුරු බලා සිටී.